Hi, it's Angela from the blog AngelaMarieMade.com. Today I'm going to show you how to build a DIY coat rack with shaker pegs. We used a 1x4 to build this coat rack and 5 1/2-inch thick wood shaker pegs. I'll link the exact ones we used below this video. Alright, let's get started with this DIY coat rack. Step 1 is to cut 2 boards from the 1x4. Use a miter saw and cut 2 1x4 boards to 25 inches long. Step 2 is to mark and drill holes for the shaker pegs. First, draw a line with a pencil along the center point of one of the 1x4s. Then, mark a hole for each of the 5 shaker pegs along that line. Start at one end and mark 3 3/4 inches in, then 4 1/4 inches. Continue this process until all 5 holes are marked. Next, use a 1/2-inch drill bit and drill the 5 holes for the shaker pegs. Drill the holes almost all the way through the 1x4. It's okay if some of the holes go completely through. You can lightly sand where you drilled the hole and also test a peg in each hole and make sure it will fit. You don't want the pegs loose, but you do need to be able to get them into the hole with a snug fit. Step 3 is to attach the shaker pegs to the coat rack. Start with the first peg and apply a little bit of wood glue around the bottom of it. Then insert the peg into the first hole and hammer it into place. Wipe away any excess wood glue immediately with a damp paper towel. Repeat this process for the rest of the shaker pegs. Step 4 is to attach the shelf to the coat rack. Apply wood glue along the top edge of the board with the pegs. Then attach the other 1x4 perpendicular to it with 1 1/4-inch brown nails to form the top shelf of the coat rack. Use clamps to help hold everything in place. Now that the DIY coat rack shelf is built, it's time to paint or stain it. We chose to paint ours Tricorn Black by Sherwin-Williams. We started with a coat of primer, and then we used 2 coats of paint. What do you think of our DIY coat rack? It's been great for helping to keep our entryway more organized. If you have any questions about this project, please let me know below, or you can ask over in our Facebook group at angelamariemade.com/woodworkingforthehome. You can get an extra entry in our DIY challenge giveaway for making this project. Enter the giveaway at angelamariemade.com/DIY challenge. Also, if you make this project, be sure to tag us on social media at AngelaMarieMade. Thank you again for watching, and please subscribe for more fun DIY and home decor videos.